Hey, welcome to our Rich Snippets session. So what are snippets? Whenever we perform Google search, for example, we'll search for an iPhone 6, we get search results in the form of snippets. So this is a regular snippet that has text, the relevant URL, and the product name. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll see a rich snippet, which also has the product availability, price, number of reviews, and the rating for the product. Now with Yotpo, you can add the number of reviews and the rating to your Rich Snippets organic search results. There are two ways to do that. You can either add the Rich Snippets automatically, or you can add them manually. To add the Rich Snippets automatically, all you need to do is implement the reviews widget on your product page. So if I go to a product page, and it has the reviews widget, then it means you already have Rich Snippets automatically added to the JavaScript of this product page. We can see that by going to Google's Structured Data Testing tool. We'll click here. We'll take the product page URL and run the test. And here we can see a product tab. When we click on it, we see two more product tabs. Now, in almost all of Shopify's themes, there is already implemented a Rich Snippets template. So if we click on it, so here we can see the currency, availability, and price already pre-existing in your Shopify theme. Now, the second tab is the addition of Yotpo elements that was added by the reviews widget. So here we can see the rating value and the reviews count. If we click on any of these items, the page will scroll down and we will see the writing inserted by Yotpo. And that way we can know that this information was added by the reviews widget and by Yotpo. To manually add the rich snippets, what we have to do is go to our Yotpo admin, click on Social in Google, Rich Snippets. If by any chance you do not see this menu in your Yotpo admin, please reach out to our support team so they will enable it for you. Once the page has loaded, we simply activate Google Rich Snippets. We scroll down on this very article you are currently on. We go to the manually installing Rich Snippets code, and we copy the code. Now we go to our Shopify admin, online store, and under the live theme, we click on edit code. We need to add this code to our product page. So there are two product files where the relevant pre-made Rich Snippets template can appear, either in the product liquid or in the product template. Here, for example, I'm looking at the product template and I see this schema.org/product. As soon as I find this, it means I found the Rich Snippets code. So what I need to do is to add the code I just copied onto this product scope. So if we click on the div, this is the element of the product scope. This is where it begins. And once I click on it, I can also see where it ends. So what we need to do is just to take a line above where the element ends and paste our code here. Of course, don't forget to save. And that's it. You have manually added Rich Snippets to your product pages on Shopify. Now, it's important to avoid duplicate markups. So if you manually added the code, please reach out to our support team so they can disable the automatically added Rich Snippet code and we can avoid these duplicate markups. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.